We are now in the month of January, which means I'm now participating in Martial Art Film Freaks challenge called Jackie Chanuary. We just basically participate in this month by watching 4 Jackie Chan classic films in January. I had participated in this last year and I'm going to do again this year. And by doing so, I'll be tackling Jackie Chan's First Strike as the first film of January. This is the 4th and final installment of the main Police Story franchise that I actually was in love with. I love the first 3, how insane and balls to wall it is with the action, while also the story that while some are not as good as others, they still kept me engaged. And I'll say that out of all the Police Story films I've seen in the main franchise, this is definitely the weakest one. The film still gives us some impressive action sequences, with one regarding a snowmobile that was really cool to see, and some fist-to-fist combat that some are not quite as good, but when it does hit, it really does hit. It goes really fast as per usual for a Jackie Chan film, and it's just insane to see. There's also another sequence that involves going underwater that was very impressive in terms of Jackie Chan getting away from the people while also getting away from a shark. It's over top for sure, but it's just entertaining to see. While the story isn't quite as well tied as the previous films, I still find the story to be bonkers enough that I was just like wondering how Jackie Chan is going to get himself out of this situation. The humor is also a bit of a mixed bag that has some good elements, and then there's just some that just felt like it was just made for a children's audience kind of deal. Also, there's a female supporting character in this film that the characterization from her is just very lackluster and nowhere near as memorable as the previous films. And I wish there was an easier way to watch the original cut because I had to watch the English dub of it, and it is just terrible. The English dub at times is just so stupid to hear that I'm just like, really? People thought this was a good idea? There are some moments you could definitely tell that some of the actors are actually speaking English from their mouth movements from those characters, but in regards to everyone else, you could definitely tell it's dubbed and it's just very obvious and very much a glaring issue. But once you get over the English dub being terrible, I still think that First Strike is still a fun film that as the final film of the main Police Story franchise, it's not bad to end on. I give this film a 6 out of 10. If you like this review, leave a like, favorite, and follow more film review content.